Question number 30 is a grammar question on pronouns. And so the simplified version of the sentence could be something like, the training for PAs is shorter than that for physicians. And maybe it's a little bit easier to look at this when you replace that with what it represents. It's a pronoun that actually substitutes for the training. So it might be a little too wordy to say the training twice, but just to understand the grammar of everything, you could say the training for PAs is shorter than the training for physicians. You've got two different sets of trainings that you're comparing, and you're just to say that the training for PAs is shorter than that for physicians. And a great way to do that is answer choice C, because that is a singular pronoun, and you need to make sure you have it. You can't delete it. So here, those would be, if you had the thing that's wrong with those is that it's plural. There's only one training period for each of these. You might have many PAs, but there's only one training period. And that's actually kind of a trap. You have to make sure you're looking at the right thing, like one training, multiple PAs. It's the training that would dictate whether or not you use that or those. So that's why A is not the answer. Compared with is kind of repetitious. You're already comparing or indicating a comparison when you use the word shorter, so you don't need to say shorter and compared with. That would be just repetitious and too much. And you can't completely delete it. I thought about deleting it for a moment and then realized I couldn't, because if you deleted it completely, it would say something like, the training for PAs is shorter than physicians. And you can't compare a training period to physicians. Like, who is shorter than physicians? Little children are shorter than physicians? No, you're talking about a period of length, like a time period, and then saying that you're shorter than a physician is like saying that you're comparing its height. You have to compare two training periods. You can't compare a training period to a physician. And that's what it would actually say if you deleted the underlined portion. So that's why answer choice C is the answer.